What's going on, guys? This trip is provided to us by HI5 Hawaii Tours. They are very nice and accommodating. So next time you come to Hawaii and looking for a good company, reliable company that is there to provide whatever needs you might have, hit up HI5 Hawaii. That's their number. Look them up on Instagram, Facebook, and Yelp. So let's go and let's take a tour with HI5 Hawaii. What's going on, guys?
Thumbs up and subscribe for watching.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I...
Good morning, everyone. We are here at Greenworld Coffee in the city of
Waialua.
We are here to show you what this shop has to do. So one thing about this location is the fact that they do everything in-house here, and they do take online orders. And last I checked, they were one of the top I guess businesses in Hawaii based off the star advertisers. We were able to go around the facility and we'll show you what this place has to offer. This place is located, like what Martha had said, in the city of Waialua on the way to Dole Plantation. If you're heading towards Haleiwa or even towards North Shore, don't forget to pass by Greenworld Coffee and give them a break. We're all about providing support for local businesses here. So for a day or two, just go pass up Starbucks and try here up Greenworld. So we'll see you guys in a bit.
Local businesses as well.
Exactly, that's the biggest thing. Is support local business, because without your help, they won't strive. So come support local business, and see you guys in a bit.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Hey, hi, I'm Sarah from Greenworld. We started Greenworld back in 2009. We didn't actually open our doors until 2012 because we actually had to work with the Department of Agriculture for 2.5 years to put nutrients back into our grounds, because beforehand we were actually a pineapple farm, and the ground with pineapples are just super acidic. Once we plant our trees, they are closest to like a gardenia flower. I don't know if you know what those are, but they smell delicious. Those flowers only last 3 to 5 days, and once they fall off, that's when the coffee cherry process kind of starts. So it starts from, this one's like dead, but it kind of starts like with this, but as a greener one, and it takes 7 months before it reaches this one. Once we are ready to pick, so all of our trees actually have to be hand-picked. It is a very laborious and strenuous process. Kind of to put in perspective, one tree can take 2 hours. It's a very long process. When we are ready to pick these, they actually go through a machine called, ooh, and this one's a rare one. They go through a pulping machine that strips away this red layer, and it actually goes into 2 of our teas. When we are ready, so yeah, what we have left is green beans, and you can actually suck on these and they taste really good. Did you guys want to try these?
Sure.
Okay. I wouldn't recommend like biting it though.
Just suck on it.
Yeah, just suck on it. Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Let's try
It actually has a sweet flavor.
this. Yeah.
I wouldn't say it tastes like coffee right now.
No.
Of course, only like when you start roasting it.
Where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind.
Good morning, everyone. So, as part of HI5 Hawaii's tour, includes Dole Plantation, one of the must-go, must-do places to do in Oahu. So check it out. Also, I posted a previous vlog on Dole Plantation. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. Just click on it and get the full experience. Thank you very much. Aloha.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
So just like in life, there's different people, tall, short, different colors, different religions. Well, fruits are the same. There's different species that look different. So these pink pineapples, you find them in Paraguay and the Philippines. If you look quite closely, they're very serrated. So as you know, pineapples, or as you may not know, pineapples are all hand harvested. So if you were going to plant these to harvest, good luck. Because you know what? How serrated it is, there we go. Classic example, you see. So most of the time these would be used to landscape your garden, right? Because the gorgeous pinkness of the pineapple. So these would not be here to harvest. I feel like doing a Steve Irwin special and go, crikey mate, see that little lizard over there? It'll take your eye out with a single little dart, a poisonous dart that you find over in South America. It's cracking, isn't it? There, friend, let's go over here. The chocolate. Oh my God, look at this. The family's growing so much they can't even believe it. The energy is just absorbing from this area. Look at these chocolates. Just look at this, guys. Cracking, isn't it? Look at it.
So high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Hello, aloha, welcome to Hawaii. So I've been here 51 years, born and raised on the North Shore of Oahu, which is basically the big city, you can say, the big island, the big county, the #1 county that everybody comes to. So when you visit Hawaii, my best advice is treat everybody like your family, treat everybody like your mother, because that's the way we treat everybody, like they're our mothers, our brothers, our sisters. You do that, you will find secret hidden jewels in Hawaii that you would only dream of.
Sky is falling down.
So our next stop with the HI5 Hawaii Tour, we go over to Waialua Coffee and Chocolate Factory. This is where we go from beans to bar, as they call it, where they start off from beans, all the way to where they serve it and sell finished products. So come join us, give you a little bit of tour inside and the process how it's done.
These are some of our cacao trees. So all the Waialua cacao and all the Waialua coffee, it's owned and managed by Dole. So you know them by the pineapples, but not many people know they do coffee and cacao as well. So they're nearing the end of the cacao season. That goes from about the end of September to the beginning of April, and then they switch off and do the coffee.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Martha, you know what really grinds my gears?
What's that?
People come in here to the island and just stay mainly at the beach. There's a lot more things to do on the beach than the beaches here. This is one example. We are at North Shore Soap Factory, where they make everything in-house. They make the bars to different flavors of the island. So it's something that you definitely got to explore, and we'll take you inside, see what to expect when you come visit here. Let's go.
Let's go.
Start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
What's going on, everyone? So next on the stop, we are at HI5 Macadamia Nut Farm, where they got different types of macadamia nut products here. I believe they got jellies, they got coffee, they got chocolate flavored macadamia nuts. So once you're in HI5, don't forget to pass by this place.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Thanks for joining us in today's tour around the island with HI5 Hawaii.
Fantastic. We just spent 5 hours eating our way around Oahu. Until next time, hui ho.
Aloha! We are just be out. We just finished covering this amazing HI5 tours experience. So don't forget to check out our channel and our vlog. And as usual,
just be out with us.
Aloha, I'm LaineyHula Adventures. Follow me for outdoor adventures of hiking and underwater activities. Mahalo. Aloha, I'm Mary with Yes to Hawaii. Follow me for more information about Hawaii to check out places to eat and things to do. Aloha.
How's it? This is Tasha and Tyler. We are InfiniTnT. Just keeping our channel going, but we had a beautiful day with this lovely man and his tour. High five. Thank you so much, and we will be seeing you soon.
So thank you for joining us. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button to get all the notification when we post the new videos out. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to all their channels, and also consider HI5 Hawaii for your next tour around the island.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. Mahalo.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.